What is up, YouTube? Niner Faithful 52 here, and I'm back with another video. Something a little different. As you can see by the title, this is from the GLD shop out there in Florida. Here's some throw away this box. So I'll have to throw in a little sticker. Hashtag GLD gang, built from the ground up. Dope little sticker. Considering it was the Day of the Dead, I believe yesterday, or whenever this video is uploaded. But comes with this little package here, yeah, little litter. Open this up real quick for you guys. So I got I saw this on my Instagram timeline. Now this is like a chain, like a jewelry type of store online. And let me see. Okay, so it just comes with this little card. It says GLD on the front. Basically like a authenticity lifetime guarantee. Yada yada yada, you know what I'm saying? But comes with my receipt. Let me show you guys what I got real quick. All right, oops. So this is the receipt. So I got the San Francisco 49ers Pendant, 14K white gold plated, white gold, with the 4mm Figaro link necklace, 18K gold plated, 18 inches yellow gold, and 20-inch 4mm rope chain. So that's what I got. But the main point of this video, it comes with this nice box right here. Look at that. It says GLD on the front. Pretty sturdy. Look at this, like some honeycomb type of design here. Little pull tab here. Left it in the box here. And it comes in this little pouch, it looks like. Oh, but back to what I was saying. I got this, or I saw this on my Instagram timeline. And I had these pendants, had these necklaces of NFL teams, and I saw the 49er one. It just happened to came across my timeline, and I saw it, I liked it, and I wanted it. They go for $99. The one I got, the pendants only. Okay, so, and then there was like this deal where you buy one and you get like a necklace or like a chain basically for free. So I got the pendant. Here it is. Of course, 49ers, look at that. Super dope. Let me get out of the packaging real quick. But basically the pendant, it's $99, and then you could just order the pendant if you want, just like that. Or you can choose a chain of your choice. And then go from there, and then probably, get a deal and then get another chain for free if you would like. Look at the detail on this right here. Now, obviously, this is not like the gold plated, and, those cost like $1,000 or whatever. So this is $100. Something simple, a little bling here. I don't know if you can. There we go. Look at that. Super dope. Obviously, I'm going to wear this in game days. Probably wear it casually too. Who knows? On the back, it says NFL, GLD. Look at that, folks. Super dope. Personally. I love it. I like wearing chains, so I had to get it. And the one, let me see, the one I chose, if I'm not mistaken. So this is one of the chains I got. It's just something simple, nothing crazy. I think this is let me look in the receipt real quick. This is, the 4mm Figaro link necklace, 18K gold plated, 18-inch yellow gold. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this was like $130 or something like that, just by itself. And I got this for free. Because of no, my mistake. Because since this costed more than the pendant, I got the pendant for free. So the $99 was free. I paid for this, right? So I got this for like what was it, 120, 130, something like that. You guys can go check it out on GLD shop.com. I believe that's the website. If not, I'll just drop it down in the description for you guys. But basically, like this, it rarely comes in stock. That's the thing. I saw it didn't come in stock till like 3-4 weeks, really. So just the feel of it. I mean, it's something basic, like it doesn't feel premium per se, but it looks good. So this is the Figaro, the 4mm Figaro link necklace, and the one that I chose as to come with my 49er pendant was this one, the rope chain, this one right here. Something, nothing too crazy. This was like, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $60, something like that. Because the pendant itself, it costs $99, and then you get to, if you want, you choose your own type of chain. They have a variety of options there for you to choose. But this is the rope chain, the 4mm. This is the 20-inch. So they have like an 18, they have a 16. I think the biggest size they have is if it's not a 20, it's a 22. But nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is what I got right here. Shout out to GLD shop. The shipping and stuff like that, I think it took like, I want to say it took like a week to get here, and I live in California, so and it came from Florida, like I said. I don't know if it's Miami per se, but or did it come from Miami? I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure per se. It just came from Florida, really. But yeah, that's basically what I got. Let me get you guys a last look on the pendant here. Oh yeah, gonna be looking extra fresh, man, on game days. Nothing too crazy, like I said, but it's a little bling, little touch, Look at that. I don't know if I can I get closer? I think it won't let me focus though. Yeah, it's the closest I can get for you guys. Pretty dope, if you ask me. I'm gonna definitely wear this. Not just on game days for sure. I'm just gonna wear it casually maybe too. Look at that. Super clean, super dope. Again, shout out to GLD Shop. Go ahead and check it out. They have a lot of stuff, really. They have chains, necklaces, pendants, of NFL teams, basketball teams, I believe. They had another version of this too, of the pendant here with the helmet. I think that's the next one I would get personally. They didn't have it in stock, or else I would have got this and the helmet for free. So be on the lookout. Like, go ahead and sign up. You'll probably get, I don't know, like a 30% off, or they'll let you know, like on the website, if it's a buy one get one free, buy one get one 50% off type of thing. So that's been my little unboxing here, little review of the GLD GLD shop 49er pendant with my little extras here and there. It comes in this nice little pouch here, GLD, and then it comes in this little box. You just put it in here, slide it back in, and that's it. Just pull it out when you need to. And they throw in a little sticker and this little letter thing right here with the lifetime guarantee type of thing. So yeah, that's been pretty much it. I like it. So personally, I spent like what? I think I spent like $190 in the stuff I just showed you guys. So honestly, not bad. I mean, like I said, they have I believe they have baseball teams, basketball teams, NFL teams. They even have Marvel pendants and stuff. It's pretty dope. You guys should really check it out. So shout out GLD shop. And yeah, that's been pretty much it. Go Niners. Go Niners.